saw right now, Miss Maddox. Number one, make sure you stay seated. Sitting straight up and down with your feet flat. Do not move, do not flinch. Just don't stand up.
They should have faced her the opposite way.
You absolutely must keep your eyes open. You have the best seat out here.
Oh, did you see her? She moved.
I mean it. Eyes open the whole time. I will be watching.
I love it. I like almost getting
If you close your eyes at any point during the show, regardless of what happens,
I also just like heights.
Alright, last and not least, Staff Sergeant Freeman. Where's he at? Staff Sergeant Freeman, make some noise for your local Ranger. It is my understanding, sir, you have been through boot camp and all the military training, correct?
Yes, sir.
You did obstacle training?
Yes, sir.
You think you can get up on top of that ramp all by yourself? Make some noise for Staff Sergeant Freeman. He's going to go ahead and keep things protected as he hikes his way on up. Just like boot camp. Make some noise for Staff Sergeant Freeman. Nice job.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Wow. What I need you to do is stay seated, don't move, don't flinch. Ma'am, Miss Maddox, right arm straight in the air. Left arm straight in the air. That is going to be our human goal post. He's going to split the uprights. It gives him something to aim for other than your foreheads. So don't move. They're ready.
No, I'm
Russell's
not
ready.
before.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? All right, if you have your phones, pull them out. Hit record when he starts pulling at that ramp. That is going to be your